Let me ask you something. Do you really understand the dependency injection in ASP.NET Core, or you just know about those three methods: add singleton, add scoped, and add transient? If you know only about these three methods, then you are missing so many great things in the dependency injection concept. Do you know what happens when we are using a transient service inside the singleton service, or we are using the scoped service inside the singleton service? Will they break something, or are they even allowed? What if so many classes are implementing the same interface? How will you implement that? What are the key dependencies? What if I want to work with a dependency without even registering in the DI container? What is DI container? So many concepts are there. If you are a serious developer or you are developing something in ASP.NET Core, then you must learn beyond those three methods. In this entire course, I have covered almost everything about the dependency injection in ASP.NET Core. Each video has its own purpose, and in each video, you will definitely learn something new. I'm not using the copy paste or just the theory in this course. Each video has the practical. I'm writing the code myself in all the videos. By the end of this course, you will be expert in the dependency injections in the ASP.NET Core beyond those three methods. So if you are ready to go beyond those add singleton, add transient, and add scoped method, this course is for you.